This mac and cheese recipe serves 4 to 5 people. Firstly, boil 350 grams of macaroni and meanwhile melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add in 1 crushed clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Make sure that when you boil the pasta you overcook it so it's very soft. Once combined, add in 3 tablespoons of plain flour and mix together until it's formed a paste. Now add in 500 ml of whole milk bit by bit using a whisk to remove any lumps from the paste. It should eventually look like this, and as you turn up the heat and keep on whisking, it should get thicker. Now you can add in your 25 grams of parmesan along with your 250 grams of cheddar. I kept it on a medium heat so the cheese would melt and added it bit by bit. Once the cheese has fully melted, I combined the cheese sauce with the pasta in 2 separate dishes so that I can have it on 2 separate days, along with 25 grams of parmesan and black pepper, but both are optional. Bake in the oven for around 10 minutes until the cheese has melted. Here's a tutorial on how to make the pasta small enough. So you need to chop it up into 2mm pieces or mash it, as this is a lot quicker and easier. Make sure any bigger pieces are cut up into small pieces, but you can also just use scissors for all of it instead of mashing it if you prefer. And this is it without the sauce on. And